Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. If you have any mathematical problem, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact us. So then our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can join our one-on-one sessions, our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI entrance test, or like NBHM, TIFR, etc. So please feel free to contact on this number, if or you can drop an email to our email ID if you have any queries, any doubts, or you need any help from us. Okay, thank you guys. So now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the ISI MTech QROR 2024, and the question is from the MCQ section. Okay, the question is appeared in the MCQ section, and the question is telling us that how many ordered pairs x comma y of positive integers satisfy the equation which is x square minus 2y square equals to 1, where our y is a prime number. Okay, so this is a classic example of Pell's equation. So this is a very easy question if you know our Pell's equation. So we need to determine the number of ordered pairs x, y of positive integers that satisfy the equation x square minus 2y square equals to 1, where our y's prime number is given here. Okay, so so the Pell's equation of the form is here is my x square minus 2y square is equals to 1. As we know that which has infinitely many integer solutions given by x and y n, that will be equals to xn minus 1 p plus 2yn minus 1 q comma, that will be xn minus 1 q plus yn minus 1 p. Okay, so now where our pq has to be what, that is 3 comma 2 is the fundamental solution or the smallest positive integer solution here. As we can easily write that our 3 square minus 2 into 2 square, so that will be 9 minus 8, so it is equals to 1. So now we are going to find the solutions. Okay, so the fundamental solution of our this will be my 3 comma 2 x1, let us call it x1 y1. Yeah, so now using the recurrence relation, what we will get, xn plus 1 will be 3xn plus 4yn, and our yn plus 1, that will be equals to 2xn plus 3yn. Okay, so now we are going to generate few more solutions. So now our first solution is this, we can see that. Then our y is equals to 2, so which is a prime. So our second solution will be what, so that will be x2 equals to 3 into 3 plus 4 into 2, so that is equals to 9 plus 8, which is equals to 7, and that's a prime. But our y2 is equals to what, y2 is equals to 2 into 3 plus, that will be 3 into 2, so that is equals to 6 plus 6, so that is equals to 12. Okay, so we can see that our 12 is not a prime here. So now our third solution will be what, so let us take it, that will be x3 equals to 3 of x2, that means that is 17 plus 4 into 12, so that is equals to 51, plus that will be 48, so that is equals to 99. So this is not a prime here, and our y3 is equals to what, that is equals to 3, 2 into 17, plus that will be 3 into 12, so we will get we can easily write that, yeah, 12 into 3, so that will be 34 plus 36, so that will be 50. So this is not also I think I have done a mistake. Yeah, So that will be 70. So we can easily see that our y3 is not a prime here. So we can write that what? We can write what? So from this pattern, we can easily see that, or it is evident that only the first solution 3 comma 2 satisfies the condition that y is prime. So our conclusion is the only valid solution is 3 comma 2, meaning that there are exactly one ordered pair x comma y that satisfy the given equation with y being prime. Thus, the correct answer of it will be our option A. So, this is a classic example of a Pell's equation question. Okay. So, our correct answer will be 1, and that is from our option B. So, again, okay. So, our correct answer of this question will be option B. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, please feel free to contact on this number, or you can drop an email to our email ID, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Then you can join to our organization as a student, so we can help you from to take out from the doubtful situations. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.